let me solve 19th problem. Fine, right here. So it's a simplification problem. See what the question is. What is the value of A? We are supposed to find the value of A. Okay, in 475 plus 64% of 950 is equal to 900 plus A. Right. What they have given? 475 plus 64% of 950 is equal to 900 plus A. Right. Here you know the BOD-MAS rule, right? BOD-MAS rule. Right. This is called as order of operation. You are supposed to add or subtract based on this particular rule. So what is the B? B is nothing but bracket. Right. First you need to work with the bracket. If they have given, then off. Off means what? Multiplication before division. Then D means what? Division. Right. M means multiplication, addition, and as well as subtraction. This is the way you are supposed to do it, which I explained in the concept, right? In the simplification concept, the topic. Now what we have to do now? So 475 simplify it plus 64%. So that is, I can write like this, 64 by 100. Half means into 950. First you should perform this function. Right, that's what I'll put a bracket here, is equal to 900 plus A. Now 475 plus, now you simplify this particular part, that is 0 0 I'll cancel, 2 5s are correct, so 2 3s are 2s are, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 9s are. So this will become what happens, 475 plus 32 into 19 is equal to 900 plus A. Now we are supposed to find the product of 32 and 19. 32 into 19, let me find here. 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 is 28, correct? It is 288. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. 8, 8 plus 2 10, 0, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. So now this will become what? 475 plus 608 is equal to 900 plus A. Now add this, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry, 0 plus 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 4, 10. 1083 is equal to 900 plus A. Now you are supposed to transfer 900 to this side, that is left hand side. So what happens, you know, 1083. So when it is plus, this will become minus, that is 900 is equal to A. Now subtract here, 3 minus 0 is 3, 8 minus 0 is 8. So 0 minus 9 is not possible. Take a carry, that is 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer is 183. Hope you understood.